beginning our review video for Chapter 6, Section 7, so that's Section 6.7. And as always, we start with the learning target. The learning target for today is to graph translations on a coordinate plane. We need a definition. We need a definition of what a translation is. A translation is a transformation in which a figure is slid horizontally, vertically, or both. So let's jump right in and do an example here. It says copy the triangle below on graph paper, then draw the image of the figure after a translation of 3 units to the right and 2 units up. So 3 units to the right and 2 units up. So let's take point E and go 3 to the right. That's 1, 2, 3. And 2 units up, 1, 2. So E prime becomes right there. Letter G is 3 units to the right, 1, 2, 3. And 2 units up, 1, 2. So that would be G prime. And F would be 3 units to the right again, 1, 2, 3, and up 2 units. So this becomes F prime right here. And we connect the triangle. And that triangle becomes our translation. It says draw the image of triangle ABC after a translation of 2 units to the right and 4 units down. So 2 units to the right and 4 units down, 2 and 4. So I'm going to do point A here, 2 units, 1, 2 units, 4 down, 1, 2, 3, 4. Becomes A prime. C becomes 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this becomes C prime. That'll be at the first side of our triangle. B moves over 1, 2, and 4 down. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is B prime. So here's the rest of our triangle. And that becomes our translation. If I look at the ones here, looks like letter D is the correct answer. D is the correct answer. Triangle ABC with vertices at -2, 2, 3, 4, and 4, 1. Then graph the image of triangle ABC after a translation of 2 units to the left and 5 units down. So I'm going to say A prime here. -2 plus 2 more units to the left would make it -4. And then 5 units down would make it -3. Because 2 minus 5 gives me -3. B, starting with its coordinates, 3, 4, I move 2 units to the left, which would be subtract 2, so that'd be 1. And then 4 units, and I subtract 5 down, becomes -1. So B prime becomes 1, -1. And C, I move 2 units to the left, so it's 4 minus 2 becomes 2, and 1 minus 5 becomes -4. So I'm going to graph these points here. I'm going to graph A prime as -4, 1, 2, 3, 4, down 3, 1, 2, 3. This is A prime. B prime is 1, -1. So there's B prime. And C becomes 2, -4. 1, 2, -1, -2, -3, -4 becomes C prime. Here's my triangle. And that's the translation of 2 units to the left and 5 units down. Has to do the same thing here with the vertices at -1, 3, 2, 4, and 3, 2. Translation of 2 units to the right and 3 units down. So P prime would become 2 units to the right, so I'd add 2 to -1, I'd get 1. And then 3 units down, so be subtract 3 from -3 becomes 0. Q prime would be equal to 2 units, so that would become 2 more units, which would be 4. And then 4 subtract 3 would be 1, so it'd be 4, 1. And R would become 2 more units, 2 more, so that'd be 5, and 3 units down, -1. 5, -1. So 1, 0, 4, no, can't be A. Can it be B? Nope, can't be B because this is +1 instead of negative. I'm sorry, it should be +1, 0, according to this. It should be 4, 1. So it checks out on the Q, and it should be 5, -1. So I'm thinking B is going to be my answer. -1, nope, can't be that one. 1, 0. 4, -1, can't be this one. So it does have to be B, and we could look at the drawing. A triangle RST is translated 4 units to the right and 3 units up. What are the coordinates of point T? So we're just asked to find the coordinate of point T. The starting point for T is -1, 2, 3, and -1, -3, -1. If I'm moving 4 units to the right, so that would be +4, which would give me 1 in my X value. And then 3 units up, so +3 here would make it a +2. 1, 2 should be my correct answer. So letter B is the correct answer for T prime. If the triangle LMN is translated 4 units to the left and 2 units up, what are the coordinates of point L? Point L. So this is point L. The original coordinates for point L are 2, 1. So if I'm going 4 units to the left, 4 units to the left means subtract 4. So I get a -2. And then 2 units up, so I would add 2 units to the Y, so I would get 3. So the new coordinates would be -2, 3. -2, 3 is answer D, -2, 3. Thank you.